In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Brother laser printer to use Wi-Fi. My printer is the 2340DW, but this should work on almost all of the Brother printers. So let's get started. Remember, if my video helped you, even if it doesn't, do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like. If there's a product you want me to review, since this is a review channel, ask me, and if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. If you would like to support my channel, ask for my PayPal info, and feel free to leave me a substantial donation. Normally, I would set up my camera on a tripod, but this is not easy to get a good view of everything. So I'm going to be rocking the camera around, and we're going to see if this works together. So it's not that hard. You have to make sure that your printer is on. You can see that my printer is on. If your printer is off, press the power button. The next step you want to do, and I might make a few mistakes. If I do, I will edit again and correct all of this. So we're going to press OK, because we are in a deep sleep mode, which I would like to get out of. All right, I press back to get out of that. I want to really get over to the ready mode. If I can, I can't really get to the ready mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrow down and see if I can get over to network. I'm on network now, so I'm going to press OK. Now we have WLAN. Don't press the arrows. Press OK. Now we're going to go either arrow up or arrow down. You have WLAN enable, MAC address, WLAN status, WPS with pin code, WPS AOSS, Setup Wizard, WLAN Assistant. I'm going to use the Setup Wizard, so I'm going to click OK. Setup Wizard, press OK. WLAN, we're going to arrow up to enable it. I want to search for the SSIDs in my neighborhood. I'm going to shut off the camera for a minute. While it does this, you don't really need to see all of the other. So that is the thing that I set up. I pressed OK. That was the network that I set up for this demo. So once you see it, now I'm going to have to put in the password. And that is where the tricky part of this whole thing is, because they don't make it really easy. I'm going to show you in a minute. Let's do select OK and see what ends up happening. It wants the password, and you've got to do the whole password with this whole keyboard mess over here. They don't give you a way to input it off a keyboard, so you have to do it with all the buttons. What you are going to do is you're going to press the up button or down button to find the numeral or text, the letter that you want, and then you're going to press OK. And it is not easy, believe me. If you have a password that starts with a Z, you're going to have to go all the way through everything. Okay, so we've got small letters, and then we've got capital letters after that. So let me go put in an S. I'll show you how this thing works. So that's a small p, I think. QRS. So let's assume, let's go to S, and then let's go to T. So maybe you can back up if you need to. And then after that, you're going to press your OK if that's the password or the letter or the digit that you want. And then I believe after you're all done, you're just going to press OK, and it's going to work. So the word that I'm going to use for the demo is show. And so if I don't, show one, let's just say show one. So what I can do is I can hold down the button to advance, or I can go, let's go past, and we'll see it should go to capital letters now. Okay. And I can back up over here, and if I hold it down, or if I hold up or down, then it advances at a quicker space. So we've got show Let's do show 5. And if I don't like show 5, then I can go and I can press back and start all over again. Now I've got my password typed in. Not going to show that to you, obviously. And I'm going to press the OK button, and we'll see what happens. Apply settings. Arrow up to apply settings. Sorry about that camera movement. Apply settings, connecting to WLAN. And now we've got the Wi-Fi button that's flashing and shows connected. So there you go. I'm sorry about my finger. Okay, so now we're going to print out a sheet of paper. So what's going on here is I should be able to print out wirelessly. And a minute ago, that black line was white because it wasn't connected. We can see monitor status ready. This is strictly a wireless connection. There are no wires going to the back of this computer. So that's how you do your wireless connection on a Brother printer. Definitely not an easy thing to do because you're going to have to press your up and down buttons. But it's also not really that hard. So press OK. It shows it's connected. Press OK. And you can see over here, that's the back of my printer. I have disconnected the wire connection so that I was able to do my Wi-Fi connection. Let's plug this in now and see what happens. Oh gosh, I should have the tripod. And we've got the Wi-Fi light on now, which we did not have before. I'm going to press OK. I don't really think I need to, but I'm going to do it. Setup Wiz. No, I don't need to do that. So I'm going to back out of this. And I'm going to just back out of all of this. Oh boy, I don't do that because then you're going to receive data and it's going to print and waste a lot of money in paper and ink. All right, people, you're not going to find this info on the net. This is just really hard to find. I don't know why they're deleting all the web pages. It shows ready, so we're zeroed out now. And we're all good with a couple sheets of wasted paper. We are connected with the wire. Are connected with the Wi-Fi. Let's go over to that Wi-Fi so you can see it. There it is, internet connection. And thanks for watching. Again, thumbs up, subscribe, or like. Keep this channel going. Donate to it if you want to. Thanks, everybody.